spiced this one with the spice mix and pepper and salt and all of the good stuff. I like to get the temperature up to about 150 degrees before I put the steaks on. So that's going to up is the lid, nice and hot. Put it in the middle. Down with the lid. And you're looking at about 2 minutes. So, hey Siri, set the timer for 2 minutes. There's my 2 minutes. And now you can see, let's have a look. It's got a really nice sear on that side. And all we're going to do is switch it over now, put it on a different bit of the barbie so it's nice hot. And then we're going to go and repeat the 2 minutes. Hey Siri, set timer for 2 minutes. So that's our other 2 minutes. So as far as I'm concerned, in my world, that's done for me. I've now switched the barbecue to off, but I'm leaving it in there because as you can see, the temperature still remains the same. But I don't want to overcook that side, so I'm just going to flip it again. This is a reasonably thick piece of steak. You can tell often the temperature inside by pressing it. Now, I know that that's firm enough to be what I would consider done for me. So this is pre-rested. Now, this is what you should be doing. So cleaning the barbie directly afterwards means it's ready to go for the next time. So that gives you a bit of an idea. So you can see that it's actually only cooked through there, but that's where the resting allows it to be able to like cover that up, and then it'll start to just slowly cook it through for a little bit longer. That essentially is how you cook the steaks. I'm going to eat it now because I like it like this. My mushrooms, yummy little. You can see that it is lovely and medium rare. For me, if you went 3 minutes each side, that would be medium, and 4 minutes would be well done each side. There you go.